Good morning. Welcome to Angrezi Medium. Let us discuss the words for today. The first word is descent. Descent means to move in a downward direction, to drop or to fall, नीचे गिरना. For example, Yes Bank's shares are on a constant descent. Yes Bank के शेयर constantly गिर रहे हैं, उनकी वैल्यू कम हो रही है. The shares are on a descent. Next word is ascent. Ascent means to move in an upward direction. ऊपर की दिशा में जाना, आगे बढ़ना. For example, my savings are on an ascent. मेरी savings day by day increase हो रही हैं, बढ़ रही हैं. They are on an ascent. Next word is interim. Interim is the intervening or provisional time period. Something which is temporary. ऐसा कुछ जो कि temporary हो, कुछ ही देर के लिए हो. For example, he is the interim manager of the company till the new manager arrives. जब तक नए मैनेजर नहीं आ जाते तब तक ये कंपनी के मैनेजर हैं. He is the interim manager, temporary manager. Next word is solitary. Solitary is the state of being alone or in solitude. अकेला रहना. Example, he took a solitary walk on the beach. उसने बीच पर अकेले वॉक किया. He took a solitary walk. He walked alone. The last word for the day is procrastinate. To procrastinate means to delay or to postpone any action, to put off doing something. किसी एक्शन को डिले करना means procrastinate करना. For example, due to COVID-19, exams have been procrastinated. कोविड-19 कोरोना की वजह से एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन हो गए हैं. दे हैव बीन प्रोक्रास्टिनेटेड. These were the words for today. Stay tuned and keep watching for more such videos. Do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.